The first one, I'm going to include 2 gigs, and that is going to be the automotive fluids and the car battery and accessories. These are going to be at automotive stores. And the good thing about this is there's literally like one on every corner, especially where I live. So O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. And these drop, I do this gig literally like almost every other day. And the first one is going to be the easiest. That is the battery and accessories. All you're going to have to do is take like 3 pictures of the back wall where they keep all their batteries. Super easy to find, and it's really, really quick. And usually there's only one display, so like 4 or 5 pictures total. Sometimes I just run in, run out in literally less than a minute to do these ones. And the other one is going to be automotive fluids. This one could be a little bit more difficult if you've never done it before, but basically you have to take a picture of all of the motor oil, which is right on the back wall, all of the transmission fluid, the antifreeze. All of the stuff is usually grouped right together, and once you've done one of them, it's super easy. And the cool thing is, a lot of times both of these gigs will be at the same store, so you could go to the store and make $6 in less than like 2 or 3 minutes, which is super cool. Next, it's going to be display audits. These ones are rare. They don't really drop that much, but when they do, it's going to be literally one picture. I did one today. It was for a makeup display. You just have to go and find one display, take one picture. If you don't find the display, you take an overview picture. Super easy. Anything with the audits are usually really easy, like one picture. They had a newspaper audit where you just walked in, took a picture of the newspaper rack, and walked out. These may start really low. It may start at like $2, but if no one does them, they will increase to $3 to $5. Then it's really worth it. So keep an eye out for audits. Most of them are going to be shelf views. A really easy shelf view is going to be the tomato sauce and pasta, just the pasta sauce and the dry pasta. So even at Sam's Club or BJ's or Walmart at a big store, these are going to be in one aisle. You could just go through the aisle, get a picture of all of it, and go. So it's worth it there, but it's definitely worth it, definitely easy if you do it at Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, because it's literally going to be the same picture of the same shelf because all of the food is in one shelf. CVS, Walgreens, the food section is really small, so the pasta sauce is going to be really easy to do that one. Next is going to be the produce. So there's a couple of different produce ones, but one of them will just be like pears. So you go in the supermarket, Publix, whatever, and you take a picture of the pears. Usually there's only one section, and then you could leave. There is one where you have to take a picture of like the apples, the peppers and stuff, which is a little bit longer, but it's still an easy one. So keep an eye out for the produce. Sometimes there'll be avocado ones. Sometimes they'll be pears, or it'll just be like a rant like tomatoes, and it'll be one product in and out, super easy. The next one that I want to talk about is going to be display dash. And when these drop, they'll drop multiple of these display dash at one store. So there'll be like 3 at Walmart, 3 at Target. These ones are really good. It'll either be checkout area, or it'll be like food area, or it'll be makeup and cosmetics and personal health. And you just have to go and take a picture of 8 displays. So you don't have to do the aisle or anything, just 8 displays in and out. These are super easy. They'll be at Family Dollar, Dollar General. Look out for those ones. And the last one I want to talk about is going to be laundry detergent and laundry additives. This, no matter what store you go to, it's just going to be one aisle, a couple of pictures at CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, place like that. It'll be really quick. And then at Sam's Club, Walmart, bigger stores, it's going to be more pictures, but it's still just going to be one aisle, one end cap. Super easy. And if you guys want to sign up for Field Agent, click the link down below.